Hello friends. In this video, you'll hear about the 12 rules of wealth from John D. Rockefeller. As you know, John Davison Rockefeller is recognized as the richest man in the world over the past 100 years. In today's money, his fortune would be over $340 billion. The 12 rules of wealth are quotes and insights collected by his admirers, many of which were published in his autobiographical book Memoirs. Rockefeller taught these rules to his only son, who passed them on to his 5 sons. Today, the Rockefeller dynasty remains one of the wealthiest families in the world, having also merged with another great American family, the Rothschilds. Whatever your opinion about them, one thing is clear. They know how to be rich, how to stay rich, and how to grow wealth. Much of that came from following John Rockefeller's 12 rules. Born into a poor, large family, he built himself up from nothing to become the world's first dollar billionaire and the biggest oil magnate of his time. So there's definitely something to learn here. Sparkles the golden rules of John D. Rockefeller. 1. Work less for others and more for yourself. The more you work for someone else, the worse you live. If you work all day, you'll never have time to make real money. 2. Save money. Always look for cheaper options, buy in bulk, plan ahead, and stick to your list. Rockefeller never wasted money on things that didn't grow his capital. 3. If you have little money, start a business. If you have no money, start a business immediately. 4. The path to great wealth lies in passive income. Build income streams that keep paying you regardless of your effort. 5. Aim to earn at least $50,000 per month. More is fine, less is unacceptable. 6. Money comes through people. Communicate. Antisocial people rarely get rich. 7. Poor surroundings keep you poor. Surround yourself with winners and optimists. 8. Poverty comes from avoiding responsibility. No excuses, take full ownership of your life. 9. Study the biographies and thoughts of the richest people. Learn from those who've already proven what works. 10. Dreams are the foundation of life. A person begins to die the day they stop dreaming. 11. Help people selflessly, from the heart. Give 10% of your profits to charity. 12. Create business systems that work without you. Enjoy your wealth, otherwise, what's the point? These are John Rockefeller's 12 rules of wealth. Take note of them and apply them in your own life. After all, he's one of the greatest authorities when it comes to achieving wealth, and by the level of his fortune, perhaps the greatest. Raising hands, thanks so much for watching. Special thanks to the Financial Genius website for the materials. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and of course, give it a like.